Linear Algebra and Calculus, Semester 1, Part 2. Solution of a system of linear equations. Consider the linear system of m equations in n unknowns given by a11x1 plus a12x2 plus etc. plus a1nxn is equal to b1, a21x1 plus a22x2 plus etc. plus a2nxn is equal to b2, etc. And last line is an1x1 plus an2x2 plus etc. plus annxn is equal to bn. And we can write this system of equations in matrix form as Ax is equal to B, where A is the coefficient matrix given by A11, A12, etc., A1n, A21, A22, etc., A2n, etc., an1, an2, etc., ann, and X is the column matrix of unknowns given by x1, x2, etc., xn, and B is the column matrix of constants given by b1, b2, etc., bn. And if b1, b2, etc., bn is equal to 0, that is, the right hand side is equal to 0, then the system of equations is called a system of homogeneous linear equations. And if not all b1, b2, etc., bn are 0, that is, if b is not equal to 0, then the system of equations is called a non-homogeneous system of linear equations. When we solve the matrix equation Ax is equal to B, it need not always have a solution. It may have no solution or unique solution, or it may have infinite number of solutions. A system of equations having no solution is called an inconsistent system of equations. And a system of equations having one or more solutions is called a consistent system of equations. And when we write the elements of A and B side by side, it is called the augmented matrix. For a system of non-homogeneous linear equations Ax is equal to B, if rank of AB is not equal to rank of A, the system is inconsistent. If rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to the number of unknowns, then the system has a unique solution. If the rank of AB is equal to rank of A, but if it is less than number of unknowns, then the system has infinite number of solutions. This result is called fundamental theorem of system of equations. For a system of homogeneous linear equations, Ax is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 is always a solution, and that solution is called null solution or trivial solution. Thus, a homogeneous solution is always consistent. So, a homogeneous system of linear equations has either a trivial solution or an infinite number of solutions depending on the rank. If rank of A is equal to number of unknowns, then the system has only the trivial solution. And if rank of A is less than number of unknowns, the system has an infinite number of non-trivial solutions. Next is the method to solve a system of linear equations. First step is write the augmented matrix AB. Second step is we will reduce this given matrix A to a diagonal matrix by using elementary row operations. So thus getting the given augmented matrix to P1x is equal to Q1, P2y is equal to Q2, P3z is equal to Q3. Gauss elimination method is used to solve a system of linear equations. This is the simplest method of step-by-step elimination, and it reduces the system of equations to an equivalent upper triangular form which can be solved by back substitution. So the given system of equations be a11x1 plus a12x2 plus etc. plus a1nxn is equal to b1, and etc. an1x1 plus an2x2 plus etc. plus annxn is equal to bn, and the matrix form is Ax is equal to B, and the augmented matrix is AB, which is given by a11, a12, etc. a1n, b1, a21, a22, etc. a2n, b2, etc. an1, an2, etc. ann, bn. So it is a systematic process of elimination that reduces the above system of equations into an upper triangular form, and it can be solved by back substitution. We'll do some problems. First one is write down the augmented matrix for the following system. So 2x plus y minus z plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 3y plus z minus 10 is equal to 0. 4y plus z minus 11 is equal to 0. So write the augmented matrix representation of the given system is matrix AB. So attaching B to the right side of the coefficient matrix A will give you the augmented matrix. Next problem. For the given augmented matrix, write down the corresponding linear system of equations. Just try to write down the answer. Third one is using Gauss elimination method. Solve the system of equations 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 11, minus 3x plus 8y is equal to 10. First write the augmented matrix AB, then reduce it to row reduced echelon form, and after reducing it to the diagonal form, write the system of equations 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 11, 7 by 2 y is equal to 7 by 4. So from that y is equal to 1 by 2, and from the value of y we can find the value of x, and we got the value of x as minus 2. So here the rank is 2 and number of unknowns is 2. So rank of A is same as rank of AB is equal to number of unknowns is equal to 2. That means we are getting a unique solution in this problem. That's why we are getting x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1 by 2. Next problem, using Gauss elimination method, find the solution of x minus y is equal to minus 3, minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. So first you write the augmented matrix AB, then after reducing it to echelon form, we'll get as x minus y is equal to minus 3. So that x is equal to minus 3 plus y. So let y is equal to t. So x is equal to minus 3 plus t, or t can be any real number. So depending on the values of t, we can get infinite number of values or infinite number of possible solutions to this equation. So here the number of solutions is infinite. Using Gauss elimination method, find the solution of minus x minus y is equal to 1, minus 3x minus 3y is equal to 2. So write the augmented matrix AB, and corresponding to the echelon form of the matrix, we get the system of equations as minus x minus y is equal to 1 and 0 is equal to minus 1, which is a false statement. Therefore, the system has no solution. Next problem, solve the following. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 4z is equal to 0. 7x plus 10y plus 12z is equal to 0. To find the solution, write the augmented matrix AB, and reducing it to echelon form, we'll get the solution from back substitution as z is equal to 0. Substituting the value of z, we will get the value of y, and y is also equal to 0. Substituting the value of y and z, get the value of x, and here the value of x is also equal to 0. Next problem, solve the following. X plus 4y minus z is equal to minus 5. X plus y minus 6z is equal to minus 12. 3x minus y minus z is equal to 4. Write the augmented matrix AB and reduce it to row echelon form. Solving this from back substitution, we get the value of z first, that is equal to 148 by 71. Substituting the value of z, we will get the value of y is equal to minus 81 by 71, and substituting the value of x and y, we will get the value of x is equal to 117 divided by 71. Next problem, solve the following. X1 minus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 2. X1 plus x2 minus x3 plus x4 is equal to minus 4. X1 plus x2 plus x3 minus x4 is equal to 4. X1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 0. Find the solution, and reducing it to row echelon form, we'll get the values of x1, x2, x3, x4 as x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to minus 1, x3 is equal to 2, and x4 is equal to minus 2. Similarly, some problems are given. You have to find the solution. Answers are also given. You have to do the problem by yourself and check the answers. Next is row reduced echelon form. A matrix of order m by n is said to be in row reduced echelon form if first step is the leading element of each row is unity. Second is all the entries below the leading entry is 0. Third is the number of zeros appearing before the leading entry in each row is greater than that appears in the previous row. Fourth step is the 0 rows must appear below the non-zero rows or at the bottom of the matrix. Next is a remark. The rank of the matrix A is equal to the number of non-zero rows in the row reduced echelon form of the matrix A. First question, solve the following. X plus y, 2y plus z is equal to 3. 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 5. 3x minus 5y plus 5z is equal to 2. 3x plus 9y minus z is equal to 4. So to find the solution, first write the augmented matrix AB, then reduce it to echelon form, and after getting the row reduced echelon form, we can find the rank as the number of non-zero rows in the row reduced echelon form of the matrix. So from the given matrix, we can find that rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 3 and number of unknowns is equal to 3. So from the fundamental theorem of system of linear equations, we can conclude that the system is having a unique solution. So it is also consistent. So solving the system of equations, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 2. Similarly, another problem is given. You have to find the answer by yourself and check the answer. Here also a system of linear equations are given. First write the augmented matrix AB and then reducing it to raw echelon form, we can write the rank. So here rank of AB is equal to 3 and rank of A is equal to 2. That means the rank both ranks are different. That means the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Fourth one is by reducing into raw echelon form, find the rank of the matrix A. So consider different case when A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. Second case when A is equal to B by 2 is equal to C is equal to 1. In both cases you have to find the solution. Next problem, find the values of lambda for which the system of equations x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to lambda, x plus 4y plus 10z is equal to lambda square will be consistent. And second case, show that for each value of lambda obtained in part 1, the system has a one parameter family of solutions and find these solutions. So as usual, write the augmented matrix, then reduce it to raw echelon form, and after reducing it to raw echelon form, we'll see that the system of equations will be consistent only if rank of AB is equal to rank of A. So this is possible only when lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0, which implies lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies lambda is equal to 1 comma 2. So when lambda is equal to 1, the augmented matrix AB becomes 1 1 1 1 0 1 3 0 0 0 0 0. Next problem, show that the equations are consistent and solve the same. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 2, 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 5, 5x plus 6y plus 3z is equal to 2, x plus 3y minus z is equal to minus 3. Find the answer. Next problem, show that the equations y minus 3z is equal to minus 1, x plus z is equal to 1, 3x plus y is equal to 2, x plus y minus 2z is equal to 0 are consistent and solve the same. Some more problems also are given. Find the answer. Here also some problems are given. Find the answer by yourself. Thank you.